What do you observe, Sophia?
In the picture, ma'am, I saw how the water cycle flows with its different stages.
Very good. Now let's proceed to our first activity that we call guess what. So here, this is our first activity. Guess what. So now, here in the picture, I will give you a strip of paper here. And then, it contains a letters. And then afterwards, you form it to a word that is given to the that is based to a given definition. Okay. So, um, I will divide you into four groups.
Yes.
So, this is the group 1, the group 2, the group 3, and the group 4. So, I will call first the group 1. Group 1, please read the question.
Question. It shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and
Atmosphere.
atmosphere.
Okay, very good. So, please, what's your answer? You paste it here, your answer. Okay. You paste it here, your answer. So what is your answer? The water cycle. Okay, very good. So, to the group 2, please read the question. Okay,
People from clouds cold.
what's your answer? Okay, you paste it here, your answer. Okay, what's that? What's your answer? A condensation. Okay, very good. Here is it. Okay, very good. Condensation. Okay, group 3. Here is the question.
Water in different
Phases.
phases moves so the atmosphere cold.
Okay, what is your answer here? Okay. What's your answer? You read that. Okay. Sign your answer.
Evaporation.
Okay, very good. The answer is evaporation. Okay, the last group 4. Please read your question.
It, evap- it, uh, it evaporates from plant into the atmosphere cold.
Bold. What's your answer? Okay. Okay. Okay, your answer is transpiration. Okay, all your answers are correct. Very good to all of the groups. Now, let's proceed to our second activity, which we call a brainstorming. Okay. A brainstorming. Here, this is our second activity. So, please read the instruction. Okay. Read the instruction. Here.
Teacher, we'll pose a water cycle drawing on the board, and each group are tasked to fill an answer on the box provided.
Okay. Okay. The instruction is remain with your group, and each group are tasked to fill 2 answers in the activity. So just choose the correct answer in the box given, and then you write here in the box provided. So I will call first again the group 1. So please answer the first and the second box here. Okay, group 1. Okay, you write here. You write your answer. Okay, what's your answer here? precipitation and water falls from the clouds down to earth. Okay, group 2, please write your answer here. So your answer is accumulation and water from rivers form back into lakes and seas. So very good. Your group 1 are correct, group 2 are correct. Okay, group 3, what about your answer here? What's your answer? Group 3, write your answer here. Okay, very good. So your answer is evaporation and water evaporates into the air. Okay, group 3 are correct. And group 4, our last group, is what to answer here in the box. Good. So group 4, your answer is precipitation and water vapor forms clouds. Okay, that is precipitation and water vapor forms clouds. That is evaporation. Okay, now, so let's proceed to our draw and tell. Since you already understand our topic, so let's proceed a draw and tell. Okay? Okay, Angelina, can you please read the criteria?
Cleanliness, 10 points. Appropriateness, 20 points. Explanation, 20 points. A total of 50 points.
Okay. So, Sophia, can you please read the instructions?
To our next activity, just still remain to your group and each group are tasked to draw a water cycle in a short bond paper, then present it to the class.
Okay, so very good. So here, what you're going to do is that still remain to your group, and then you are tasked to draw a water cycle in a short bond paper. So I will just give you a 15 minutes for this activity. So time starts now. Okay, I will just give you a little bit more. A water cycle, you draw a water cycle. Okay, time's up. Okay, I will first call the group 1. You present here your activity in front of the class. Okay.
This is water cycle, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, transpiration, evaporation.
Okay, very good. Group 1. How about the group 2? Please present your activity.
This is water cycle, precipitation, condensation, transpiration, evaporation, infiltration.
Okay, very good, group 2. So, all of your group got a perfect score, which is 50 points. So now, let's proceed to our recitation. Since you are good enough to understand our topics, so let's proceed to recitation. Okay, group 1, I will call first the group 1. Any of the member of your group can answer the question. Okay, group 1, what have you learned from our first activity? Okay, Angelina.
In our first activity, Mom, I have learned that water cycle shows the continuous movement of within the earth and atmosphere.
Okay, very good. Okay, so how about the group 2? Here's your question.
From our second activity, Mom, I have learned that there are four main processes in the water cycle, and there are the condensation, accumulation, precipitation, and evaporation.
Okay, very good. Okay, how about the group 3? What have you learned about our third activity? Okay, Angelina.
In our third activity, Mom, as we draw the process of a water cycle, I have learned that water cycles form main process, and these are the condensation, accumulation, evaporation, and precipitation.
Okay, very good. How about the group 4? This is my question. In your own idea, why is the water cycle very important? Okay, Tia.
For me, Mom, water cycle is important because it does how water reaches plants, animals, and us.
Very good. So, always remember that water cycle is very important because that is the processes of how water cycles flow. So now, let's proceed. I will give you a short video presentation. Okay? Wait for a while. Here you go. You just watch here and listen, okay? Okay, you watch here. You watch here first. Okay, the video is done. So let's start our discussion. So, did you watch the video clearly? So now I will give you some a little bit information. So, you always remember class that water is one of the key ingredients to life on Earth. In fact, it is about 75% of our planet is covered by water or ice. And water cycle is the endless process that connects all of the water. It joins the Earth's oceans, land, and atmosphere. And always remember that the water cycle is also known as the hydrology cycle or the hydrological cycle. It describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the water. So class, you always remember the main processes of the water cycle. So these are the precipitation, water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. So as you see this is the precipitation. This is the precipitation, which is the water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Under the other main process of the water cycle is the condensation. So the condensation here. Condensation is the process where water vapor or a gas changes into water droplets or a liquid. These are the condensation forms into a cloud. And then the infiltration, which is the movement of water into the ground from the surface. Circulation is movement of water past the soil going deep into the water. Okay. So now, is my discussion is clear, class?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now, we will have a group contest. Okay, so Pia, can you please read the instruction? Group contest.
I will give you a piece of bond paper and marker, and then I will read the question twice, so listen to me carefully. Each group will write their answer on the paper as I give the signal go, then raise it afterwards.
Okay, so here, what we're going to do is to raise your answer after I read the question. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this is the question number 1. You keep listening here. Question number 1, it is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns it into vapor or stream. Okay, what's your answer? Okay, very good. That is evaporation. Okay, question number 2, you listen. It shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and the atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes many different processes. Okay, very good. The answer is water cycle. Okay, question number 3. Water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Okay, the answer is precipitation. Very good. All of your answers are correct. So here's the question number 4. It is a process where water vapor or a gas changes into water droplets or a liquid. The answer is condensation. Okay, very good. So the last question, the number 5. It is the movement of water into the ground from the surface. Percolation is movement of water past the soil going deep into the groundwater. So what's your answer? Question number 5, infiltration. Okay, very good. All of your answers are correct. Okay, a round of applause to everybody. So now, we have a visual symbols are activity 2. Here, the visual symbols. Okay, so can you please read the instruction? Angelina?
To our next activity, just stay in your group, then look at the given picture on the board and give its meaning. Write your answer on the board as I call your group.
Okay, very good. So here are our visual symbols. I will again call the group 1. Okay, group 1, Please write your answer in the picture 1. Group 1. Right here. Write your answer. Very good. So, in the picture 1, your answer is condensation because the gas formed into clouds. Okay. Now, to the second picture, group 2, write your answer. Your answer is evaporation, wherein water turned into gas. Okay. So, in the picture 3, group 3, please write your answer. Okay, very good. So your answer here is transpiration, where is the water in plants evaporates and go to forms into clouds. So now in the picture 4, which is the group 4, please write your answer here. Okay. Here in the picture 4, the answer is sublimation, wherein a solid or an ice turn into gas. So the last picture, the group picture 5, please answer here. Okay, your answer is runoff. Very good. Runoff means water from ice will go to the lakes and oceans. Okay, all your answers are correct. Very good. So now, since you already understand our topic, so let's proceed our quiz. Okay. So here, just get one whole sheet of paper and then copy and answer. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes only to answer. Okay. You copy and answer. Okay, time's up. So please pass your paper in front. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Please pass your paper. Okay, very good. So now we will have an assignment. Please read the instruction, Angelina. Stand up to read.
Instruction. In one short bond paper, draw a water cycle and
Label.
label it according to its process.
Okay, very good. So that's your assignment, huh? In a short bond paper, you draw a water cycle and label it according to its process. Okay, you pass it tomorrow. So that's all. Goodbye, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.